Welcome back, guys. We're back home, and as you can see, we have just cleaned up this pen, and we've got some water in here. Food will be coming later on, so we'll put that in as well later on. And we're going to put these beauties, these quails, 4 females and 1 male, inside here. So let's see what happens. There we have it, guys. Beautiful quails. Check out, guys, what I've just found in the box. An egg. Wow, absolutely amazing, unbelievable. First time I've seen a quail egg, and well, first of many, hopefully. And here we have the next pen ready. 2 Peking bantam females, 10 weeks old. They are happy, looks like it. One started to scratch already, the other one's quite curious. Let's see where she is. I'm sure they'll be fine next to these quails over here.